Okay, welcome back to Dave's Analytic channel on where are we? Dave's Analytic channel on Odyssey. This is the first stream this week. This is Tuesday evening, June the 27th, 2023. And the question is, what are we going to do this evening? What are we going to do this evening? Are we actually live? That's the first question. Says we're live. And here we are. Very good. 54 minutes ago. Okay? Good. Okay, so where should we start? Should we take a look? I thought about going back and redoing some of my videos. Had to do with the it has to do with the Google Data Analytics certification Capstone project, which involves analyzing some data from the Cyclistic Bikeshare data, which consists of 12 months worth of data, and 12 files each containing 1 month. Then I thought about I'm thinking about maybe doing some more Duckdb fun. This time go back and taking a second or third or fourth look at the New York City yellow cab data, which is stored in Parquet files. And each file contains 8 to 10 million records. That'll be a nice large test for Duckdb and my system, I would think. It also contains quite a few, maybe a half a dozen or 8 or 10 numeric columns, things like the number of riders, the fare, the taxes, the distance traveled, and a few other things like that, which could be interesting. What should we do? Let's go over here. So you can see over here, Google Data Analytics. So let's start over here. Let's start with do we still have Cyclistic Bikeshare information over here someplace? Back up here, let's look at GitHub. Interesting, I don't actually see the data here anyplace. Let's come over here then. I'm sure I had some.
Mané fogueteiro, os estalos vai lançar e as bandeirolas pendurou. Eu quero ver o balancê quando a quadrilha começar. Eu quero ver a narriê, mas é só depois que o sol raiar. Eu quero ver o balancê quando a quadrilha começar. Eu quero ver só depois que o sol raiar.
This is kind of annoying.
Hoje é noite de São João. Quem chegar na roda vai entrar. Tem quadrilha, animação, casamento. Só não vem quem tem outra fogueira pra pular e a barra da calça já queimou. Mané fogueteiro, os estalos vai lançar e as bandeirolas pendurou. Eu quero ver o balancê quando a quadrilha começar. Eu quero ver a narriê, mas é só depois que o sol raiar. Eu quero ver o balancê
data sets. Here we go. Let's download this. Now we could of course, yes, we could indeed. We could of course. Where is it? I know I had that someplace. By the way, if you are in the background, thanks so much for stopping by. I always appreciate it. Be sure to click that follow button for me, and the button left to the screen. Click on that little like button. It kind of looks like a fire, a little fire there, the red fire. Click on that red fire button. And let me know that you really do appreciate the content, the time I take to put this together. Also, again, up here, here's a link to the website in question. To my website in question. Let's see something here. Let's see. You know, somewhere out there is a there's Kaggle Cyclistic. Kaggle Cyclistic did I actually create the dashboard? So this isn't actually a dashboard. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and create a new repository. We're going to call this one, strangely enough, OD Cyclistic. Okay. Go over here. OD for Odyssey, right? You know, I'm sure I got this data scattered all over the place on my system. What the heck? This is just a just for the fun, but let's put this under ChatGPT. Great project. Then come over here. Let's create a file, a directory called data. Come back over to here, download, archives. Of course, we do have the data stored in a SQL Server database, and maybe even a Duckdb database. But That's a story for another time, as the old saying goes. So what we could do is, alright, just for the fun of it, okay, there's a 12 file. Let's do a Duckdb. I can't help doing a Duckdb and SQ. So we're going to say LCT star from that's because I'm already in the directory. So as you can see, I'm reading this simple statement here. I'm reading all the commands in. Okay. So you can see up here what we got. We got ride ID. We can drop ride ID. Started at. So let's try.
Ficamos na beira d'água, o rio é como o nosso sangue. Ficamos na beira d'água, o rio é como o nosso sangue. Vou na
So now we created a table. Okay.
Ficamos na beira d'água, o rio é como o nosso sangue.
Let's try this.
Ficamos na beira d'água, o rio é como o nosso sangue. Vou na terra da minha alma, vou na terra da minha alma, no Araguaia, no Araguaia.
So now we significantly reduced this column down, okay? So let's come back over here then.
Meu conselho, desligue seus aparelhos, que a nossa hora chegou.
Você sempre dizia que a minha companhia é tudo de bom.
Then let's come back over here.
De me ter no seu alcance. Aqui estou. Desde que eu te vi, só penso em poder tocar, em você estar em suas mãos. Não quero te distrair, nem te esperar. Eu quero toda a sua atenção. Você contando os dias e eu cantando melodias que somos.
Now that's not all the columns, but it is pretty close.
Sempre soube que a saudade só aumenta a vontade de ter alguém. Mas aqui
So at this point, we're still working directly with the CSV files. Let's quickly create a table.
Saber o que quer. Aproveite essa chance e se entregue pro romance do jeito que quiser. Desde que eu te vi, só penso em poder tocar e você estar em suas mãos. Não quero te distrair, nem te esperar. Eu quero toda a sua atenção.
And there's our columns. They're started at, ended at, time stamp. So let's just do this. Let's just say, select
Desde que eu te vi, só penso em poder tocar, em você estar em suas mãos. Não quero te distrair, nem te esperar. Eu quero toda a sua atenção. Desde que eu te vi, só penso em poder tocar, em
Now let's
você
just do a
estar em suas mãos. Não quero te distrair, nem te esperar. Eu quero toda a sua atenção.
Não, é que eu só queria saber se você vai conseguir ver. Eu acordei sentindo sua falta, saudade. Na real é que só queria que você soubesse que eu te adoro. Eu preciso de você aqui.
So let's try this. Let's see if we can get. Let's see if we can get. ChatGPT to calculate the percentage for each.
Cadê nosso amor? Cadê?
Que bom que você chegou. Senti sua pele, seu cheiro. Só você mesmo vai me fazer assim tão bem. Só que ele é tão bom.
So it says rideable type, check count the total. Then do a count. That's interesting. I'm going to select count from each point in time. Okay, that's interesting. Let's see how this works out. So that's interesting. Okay, that's good. Now, of course, we could, we can now come back up here, okay, and say member cache, right? Member cache. And that would give us the percent for each of the rider types. That's it. Let's just come back over here first. Count as percent. Okay, good. So now we got the percentage. We got the counts, and we got the percentages. I wonder why it's sorted this way. Anyway, so 56.8% of the rides fall under the classic bike, while 37% is electric bike, and 5% is. But let's just do this. Let's just do. Go back up here and say member cache. And you could, well, actually, you know, the member casual ratio is actually a lot closer than I thought it'd be. It's 10% difference from 11%, right? 55.5% for members of the ride for the year, and 44% were casual riders. Now let's do a group by month. Obviously, this isn't bike type. This would be the number of rides per month. And you can see that, this is no surprise. The rides peaked during June, July, and August. Okay? But still only the high of 14% in July and August. Okay, good. Let's just see what happens here. I hate to say it, but man, that extract function for a Duckdb is a pretty doggone good thing. I do say to myself, so again, you can see over here. The peak ride again would be 4, 5, and 6. Okay, you would expect, say 6 to 10 to be fairly high also. Okay. So with some very simple functions, Duckdb, we got some pretty doggone good information. Okay, the extract function allows you to extract different parts of the timestamp or date value. DOW represents the day of the week, where Sunday is considered to be the first day. And ISDOW, which probably means I say down, keyword represents the day of the week where Monday is the day. Which one is it? So, is Sunday the first day of the week or is Monday the first day? I'm going to go with Monday's the first day of the week. Okay, so we can see here, again, an ISO dial. Monday's the first day of the week, right? Okay, good. So Monday, you can see the biggest day of the week, if this is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. As you would expect, the biggest day of the week as a percentage is 17% for the year. So Saturday is 17%. I mean, as you would expect, the Friday, Saturday, Sunday is the biggest day. But the biggest day is Saturday, 17.15% of the total rides for the year. Okay? So let's just go back and review very quickly here. We actually did quite a bit of good here. We used the exclude function to get rid of some information we didn't need. We then did a count of the rides for the year by bike type. Then we calculated the percentage by ride type, which the big number was the classic bike is 56%, was a big one. Then we looked at the member versus casual rate. You can see it's the members had a higher percentage of rides than the casual rider, 55 to 45%. Then we looked at the months, right? We saw that June, July, and August were the three. Well, it's actually July, August, and September were the three biggest months, with June coming in a close fourth. Okay. Then we looked at the hour of the day. We see that the biggest rides per day are basically 5, 6, and 7. Okay, well, actually not true. Actually, 12 to, let's say, 7 p.m. are the biggest rides, with the two biggest being 5 and 6. Okay. Then we looked at the percent as day of the week, and we see that again. Saturday is the biggest day of the week, followed by Friday. Well, actually, no. So it's Friday. It's Saturday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday. Wait, this is 6. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday are the three biggest days, with Saturday being the biggest day, 17.5%. Okay? Now,